As we shared in the main technique video, sketch notes is great for helping students think through and retain course content. In this technique, students use simple graphics and drawings to condense large amounts of information. Here's how you can implement a sketch note in your online class. First, conduct an online search for sketch note examples, or use the examples provided in our free download. Create an assignment in your learning management system and provide samples, directions, and expectations. Students can create their sketch note during or after your synchronous or recorded lecture. Once complete, ask students to scan or take a picture of their completed sketch note and upload it in your LMS. You may also ask students to share their sketch note to a discussion forum along with any insights they gleaned from the assignment. This technique is great for helping students think through information in a new and memorable way. At the Patricia Cross Academy, we encourage you to try sketch notes in your online class. Download our free support materials for step-by-step instructions and additional guidance.